The new design of the PCX 1252025 now looks more aggressive with a sharp dual headlamp model. The fairing is also designed to be wider and sportier, complete with curves that give a dynamic impression. Of course, the LED DRL lamp feature is still present to add a modern impression. Moving to the rear, there are slight changes to the brake light and turn signal design. The brake light is now V-shaped, replacing the previous model which resembled the letter X. Meanwhile, the turn signal is jutting down, giving a unique look, like fangs. The most interesting thing is that the handlebar area now uses a cover, similar to the Honda Forza. This is a big change because previously the PCX was known for its naked handlebars. The combination of black and silver on the handlebar cover makes it look even more elegant. For the DX variant, the 2025 PCX 125 is equipped with a new instrument panel in the form of a 5-inch TFT screen. This screen is not only modern, but also supports smartphone connectivity through the Honda Road Sync feature. Sophisticated, right? Talking about performance, the new Honda PCX 125 is equipped with a 125 cubic centimeters ESP Plus engine that produces 12.3 horsepower and 11.7 Newton meters of torque. Its fuel consumption is also very efficient, reaching 47.6 kilometers per liter. Not to be missed, the idling stop system, or ISS, and Honda Selectable Torque Control, or HSTC features are also present to support driving comfort and safety. With all these updates, the new Honda PCX 1252025 has become an increasingly stylish and sophisticated scooter. But the question is, will the new Honda PCX 160 model in Indonesia also have the same design and features as the PCX 125 in Europe? Let's just wait for the surprise from Honda.